Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. My name is Constable Comic Pastor. I'm with CID Chidodo. I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, we all heard that one of our very own Zimbabwean prophets, Prophet T. Madungwe, had successfully arrested and detained the devil in one of his private prison cells somewhere around Sunningdale. But news that's coming to us is that the devil has broken out of the prison cell and is on the run. This happened yesterday around 12 in the afternoon when Prophet was at his barber while he's attending to a customer, and the devil and his 2 colleagues decided to break out and escape the prison. Also, what we can tell you is they have stolen in the neighborhood area. They stole 2 cell phones, a Nokia and a BlackBerry that they are using to call his friends and family. We yet to get the number, and so that we can also trace him as the CID. Also, we heard that on his last seen position, it was somewhere around Mbezanamo. He was wearing more of a police uniform. He was holding 2 spikes. We are not yet sure why he's moving around with spikes, but the uniform, if you look closely, it's not a police uniform. They've got a female colleague, which we are not well whether they were together in the prison cell where Prophet Madungwe had arrested them. But the female colleague is the one they are using to hike combis to places like Mavuku, Tafara. That's where they are going and coming back. But we don't know yet where they are right now. The colleagues are wearing more like Zinara and Zimra uniforms, but they are not really uniforms. They are using fake money, so people should be on the lookout. If you see anyone with fake money or bond notes, please inform the police near you. Also, we're encouraging the public to be on the lookout because we believe that this was an inside job. Because this happened is when Prophet had gone to his barber, so we think somebody told the devil inside that the Prophet is at his barber and the devil escaped. So anyone with information should contact CID Guru, CID Jombe, and CID Chidodo. The case is being handled by Constable Tinai and Constable. Okay, so the Constable Tinai, you can contact Constable Tinai, and anyone with information should just contact the police. We want the devil to be arrested again before he destroys a lot of things in our country, especially our roads and our health system.